So what is today's letter? What?
G.
G. Good job. What is the sound of G? What is it? Here, I will show you. G. G. Show me your hand. Do like this. G. 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 Yes, show me your hand. Show me your hand. Show me. Where is your hand? Your hand. G. Yeah, do like this. G. 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 Obey. Excellent. Obey. G. G. Now we will watch a video to know what is the next letter.
Let's learn about the letter G.
G.
This is a capital G.
The big
This
one.
is a lowercase g.
Oh, one.
You know how the G looks now. Let's make the letter G sound. G is for girl.
Girl.
G is for goldfish.
Come on. G. 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 G.
Your turn.
G. 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 G.
G, G, G.
Let's say it. G. G.
G. G.
Together. Yes, together. Let's say it.
G. 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 G.
Teeth. More. Good job. Obey. I can't hear you. Obey. Yes. Yeah. Yasin. I can't hear you. What is the sound?
G.
Good job. Obey. Yeah. What is the sound? Yasin. What is the sound? G. Good job, Ayad. Yasin. It's G. G.
G. G.
G. G. Gorilla. Show me your gorilla. Gorilla. Do like this. Gorilla. Yes, all of us say gorilla. Huh? And this one? Go. Go. Goat. Good job. Yeah, obey. Okay, we'll start from here. Turn left. Turn. Go up. Sleep stick. Can you write it? Write it and show me in the camera. Which one? Look here. Which one from here that begins with G sound? Which one? Obey. Which one? Yeah, obey.
Goat.
Excellent. Good job. Yes, the next one. More. The second one. Which one? Excellent. Good job. Let's give you a star. The Latif, number 3. This one. Good job. Yes. Yeah, number 4. Yeah, number 4. Yeah, look here, number 4. Which one? This? This or this? Which one?
This.
Good job. Now, come here. What is the next letter? Yasin, what is the next letter? A, B, C, D, E, F, G. Yes, good job, Yasin.
This is the H sound. This is the letter H.
So what is the sound? Show me your hand. Let's watch.
1, 2,
Now, show me your finger. Show me your finger. From up, go down, down, down. Up, go down, down, down. Sleep stick. Now.
This house.
Wow, you see, you have a house.
House,
yes.
hot dog,
Thank you.
horse. Hat, house, hot dog, horse.
So, what is it? This one. Horse. Horse. All of you say it. Horse.
Horse.
Horse. Good job. And this one?
Hat.
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 Hat. Okay. See you inshallah next time. Bye.